Do you want high-end decor without paying high-end prices? I visit these stores to get inspiration, but I'm always shocked by the prices. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars on one piece, you can go to Dollar Tree and fill up a cart for $100. I'm Natalie, and I'm going to show you how you can turn Dollar Tree items into high-end decor that you can be proud to display in your home. For this design, you'll need these two vases from Dollar Tree. To easily remove the stickers, I recommend using this heat gun or a hair dryer. Next, you'll want to clean the vases with rubbing alcohol. These dispensers are great if you plan to use rubbing alcohol frequently. I purchased a pack on Amazon, but you can find similar ones at Dollar Tree. To paint the vases, you'll need clear glue. You'll also need food coloring. I purchased this variety pack on Amazon. If you don't plan to use other colors, you can purchase individual bottles. I decided to use purple for this design. Pour the glue into a plastic cup. Apply a few drops of food coloring and mix them together. Add more food coloring until you get the color you desire. I recommend making it darker because it will lighten as it dries. Apply the mixture with a brush. Let it dry overnight prior to applying a second coat. If this design inspired you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you would make it your own. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new DIY inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, enjoy creating.